Are you looking for ethical, one-of-a-kind jewellery that speaks to you, connects you to the plane? Then it's time to discover the Barbra Nanshe Studio, home to handmade, environmentally conscious jewellery, crafted by jewellery maker and exhibiting artist of over 30 years, Barbra Nanshe. As an environmentalist, Barbara not only strives to create carbon-neutral jewellery, but also supports many animal and environmental charities. Her expansive range of one-of-a-kind jewellery is made from almost 100% recycled sterling silver, gold and copper, alongside Australian local-cut salvaged stones and antique and vintage parts into which Barbara breathes new life. Long-lasting, completely one-of-a-kind, slow fashion is where Barbara's jewellery pieces firmly sit. Each crafted to stand the test of time, making beautiful family heirlooms. From intuitive pendants, love rings, earrings and necklaces to cuffs and bracelets made from reclaimed vintage German stainless steel watch bands, there is most certainly something that will speak to your spirit. Her art, like her jewellery, is inspired by her travels, landscapes, nature, and her connections with people, animals, and places, and even features historic artifacts from the 17th century. At the Barbra Nanshe Studio, you can therefore also discover art that soothes the soul, with collages, paintings, and sculpture created by Barbara herself, as well as works by other local artists. Barbara's images can also be found adorning her range of stylish leggings, perfect for everything from yoga and lounging to strutting about town. Whether you're looking for jewellery, art, or fashionable leggings, you can enjoy free delivery across Australia and local delivery within 6 kilometres of Newcastle. So make a statement about your individuality with unique jewellery and art from the Barbra Nanshe Studio. Click here to explore the range now.